Hi, my name is Amanda and I'm so excited to be unboxing your October Teacher Care Crate this month, so let's dive into all the fun. When you receive your Teacher Care Crate, you're going to be greeted with your info card this month, and this box's theme is Don't Be Afraid of Sunday Scaries. And I am so excited to be unboxing all the fun inside, but don't forget to stay tuned to the very end because I'm also going to go through all the fun digital downloads that you get access to. So let's dive into all the fun. If you are a fan of The Nightmare Before Christmas, this box is perfect for you. You're going to love the fun art print that you get this month with Jack and all his friends. It says, "It's the most wonderful time of the year." And then on the back, you're gonna see that it says, "I'm a nightmare before coffee." So a fun, spooky fun for the fall. So add it to your collection or gift it to a teacher friend. It's a fun one to have. But you're also gonna get your best night's sleep this month with your face eye mask. You're going to love this one. I love the fun colors, and it says, "Just because I cannot see it doesn't mean I can't believe it," with Jack. So a fun one to add and get some fun beauty rest this month. You get a fun sticker to add to your collection, to add to your laptop or water bottle, but a fun one with all the spooky friends for the fun holiday season. You're also going to love a new teacher lanyard. I love these beautiful beads, plus the gold Teach lettering that comes with this one. So a fun one to rock for this fun month. Plus, you're going to get a beautiful bath fizzer and the fun colors, and scent is a tea rose and velvet. So perfect for some self-care this month. Plus the super fun Jack face mask, and this one's a fun one because it's a passion fruit sheet mask. So a fun one to have some self-care for your beauty needs this month. Plus, you're gonna upgrade your hair clip game with this fun Jack clip that's perfect for the holiday season. I love this fun design. And of course, wrapping up the last bit of fun is the candle that you get, and I want to show you because it's such a cute one and it smells so wonderful. But it's a Sunday Scaries. It's sweet vanilla, and when you open it, it has all these fun little trinkets inside. So it smells so lovely. So some fun to have in your Teacher Care Crate box this month. Plus, the fun doesn't stop there because you also get your fun printables this month. So, of course, you have your October calendar that comes in color, black and white. You also have your weekly planner. Plus, you get access to these beautiful October like decorations. So you can have this fun like Jack Skeleton design banner. You can print whatever letters that you need for that one for your fun holiday party, plus a fun Jack Skeleton hangman game that your students are going to have so much fun using this month for all the spooky fun. So don't forget to like and subscribe and grab your October Teacher Care Crate box, and I can't wait to see you back for our November Teacher Care Crate. Bye!